Welcome to this video. Today we talk about mindset and happiness. Our teacher is Marcus Aurelius. He was a Roman emperor and a Stoic philosopher. He wrote a famous book, Meditations. This book teaches us how to live well. Here is his key quote: "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." What does this mean? You control your thoughts. Outside events? You cannot control them. But your mindset? Yes, you control it. Today you will learn 5 rules. These rules change your thoughts and your life. Rule number 1, focus on what you control. Do not waste energy on other things. Marcus Aurelius said, "Choose not to be harmed and you won't feel harmed. Your judgment creates your feelings." Example, it is raining outside. You cannot stop the rain, but you can choose your reaction. Think, rain is good for the plants. Focus your energy on your thoughts, your actions, your words. Ignore the weather, traffic, or other people's opinions. Rule number 2, choose your response. Between a problem and your feeling, there is a space. In that space, you have freedom. You can choose calm instead of anger. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts." Better thoughts lead to better happiness. Example, someone criticizes you. First feeling, anger. Stop, breathe, choose a different thought. Maybe this person is tired. Maybe they want to help. You cannot control their words, but you can control your interpretation. Rule number 3, stop complaining. Complaining makes you a victim. Marcus Aurelius said, "Don't tell yourself everything that's happened as if it were a burden. Your story creates your suffering." Instead of "why me?" ask "what now?" Focus on solutions, not problems. Example, you lose your job. Complaint, "Life is unfair. I am unlucky." New mindset, "This is a chance to grow. I can find better work." Choose the powerful thought. Complaining feels easy but hurts you. Gratitude feels hard but helps you. Rule number 4, think differently about problems. Problems are not obstacles. They are teachers. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Difficulties make you stronger. Imagine a fire. A fire burns everything, but it grows bigger. You are like that fire. Problems can make you stronger, not weaker. Example, you study English, but it is hard. Easy path, I quit. It is too difficult. Stoic path, hard things make me better. I will practice more. Think of the problem as exercise for your mind. Rule number 5, practice gratitude daily. Gratitude changes your brain. Marcus Aurelius said, "Do not let your mind dwell on things you don't have. Instead, think of the things you do have." Gratitude kills envy. Every morning, think of 3 good things. Example, I have healthy eyes. I have food. I have a friend. Your life already has many gifts. Focus on what is present, not what is missing. Now let us review the 5 rules. 1, focus on what you control. 2, choose your response. 3, stop complaining. 4, think differently about problems. 5, practice gratitude daily. Marcus Aurelius lived 2,000 years ago, but his advice works today. Why? Because human minds are the same. We all want happiness. We all face problems. You cannot change the world outside, but you can change the world inside your thoughts. Start today. Take one small step. Next time you feel angry or sad, pause and ask, what can I control right now? Remember the key quote: you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe. Share this video with a friend. Together we can learn English and live better. Final thought from Marcus Aurelius: very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. Change your thoughts. Change your life. See you in the next video. Goodbye.